What's going on? Family Black Finish checking in. I'm at the headquarters right now working on my platform. So I got the platform made. I actually got to put the wood down now, letting the rest of the bottom of it dry out. And this is the same color of the conversion. We'll have the wood planks down there, and then I have a couple holes, 3 holes to drill in there to mount it, and it's going to be welded on that outside lip there when we put it in. And I have 2 kickers here in the front that going to go to the container for the platform. So I just want to give y'all a small update on what I was working on. As you see, the idea of both of them come out. The staircase will be sitting here. The container will be there. And then this will be like the side of it. So you'll be walking up the side. So I'm going to have this platform actually at the back of the container towards the end. That way the staircase is literally right beside behind the container. The rear of it, the staircase will be sitting right on the side of it. So that's the goal, to do this one. Just want to give you small updates. I've been trying to get what I can get done today. It's a little cold outside, a little bit. Got to get a couple things worked on my truck, so I can't make a few moves that I want to make. So I'm just doing what I can do at the moment. But wanted to give y'all a small update on the platform. Like I say, this is 1.5 inch tubing and 3-inch C-channel. And just so you know, steel is going up because I went and purchased the same thing, and I believe it went up $3 to $5. So that's a lot. So just keep that in mind when you're networking. So when you're bidding your pieces out and getting everything together to do your fabrication or you're engineering a project, always recheck your steel prices, especially coming to this year. They changed a few things, so prices have went up some. So we're gonna have to think outside of the box and kind of network ourselves. But there's so much you can do with shipping containers. So right now I'm just building this platform, getting it ready so I can take it to that next stage here in a week or so. So right now it's easy. All I have to do is take those off and mount that on. So I just went and gone and get the platform while I have the time, and that's something that you should do too. Utilize your time, man. On your downtime while you're trying to do things, utilize it, because the more you can get done while you're down, when it's time for you to make that move, all you gotta do is jump and go, because you have to stay ready. That way you don't have to get ready. Hold on.